Can you make the seatbelt go up and down for me? Thank you. Can you do that again? Can you make it go up? Now mind you, my hands are right here and I'm holding the camera. Can you make the seatbelt go up or down? Well, that's weird, man. Anyways, I caught it once or twice. I'm here at the I'm here at the cemetery, and let me show you this again. Can you make the seatbelt go up or down? No, it doesn't want to do it because I think it knows it's being filmed. But you seen it in the beginning of the video. It clearly was going up.